Let me show you how we can find and use the Pro mode on OPPO Find X9 Pro. So over here we're gonna go to the camera and we can of course switch to master, where we can find the Pro mode. In order to activate the Pro mode we need to switch over here on the left side from automatic to Pro. And as you can see we have now these parameters that we usually have in the Pro mode. Over here we have ISO, which allows you to control how sensitive the sensor is to light. Low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps you in low light conditions. But of course, if you have too high ISO, it can add grain or noise to the photo. You can move left and right in order to adjust the ISO, and you can tap on A in order to set it to automatic. Then we have S, which is the shutter speed, which decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture the light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good for night shots, for example, but it can blur motion. And fast speeds freeze action. Here as well we can move left and right to adjust it, and we can set it to automatic in order to of course have the phone decide what is the best shutter speed at a given moment. Then we have EV, which is exposure. It adjusts the overall brightness of the photo. It's a quick way to make your photo lighter or darker, and it is the only parameter that cannot be set to automatic. You can manually adjust it over here and reset by using this arrow on the left side. Then we have the focus, which of course decides what should be sharp in your photo. Lower value focuses on smaller subjects, and higher value allows you to pretty much capture everything with the sharp effect. And we can set it to automatic, of course. And WB, which is white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and colors look natural. Over here we have warmth and tone. Both of them can be adjusted quite easily over here. And that is pretty much it. Now, besides that, we should be able to also find the Pro mode for the video, which is in more section over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.